Pretérito means it's finished, it's clear. Acción completada, you learned it right here. If it's done in the past, use it and be free. Master the past tense in Spanish, you'll see. El pretérito es clave, ya lo vas a ver. Acciones terminadas que no van a volver. Comí, bebí, bailé, todo pasó. Like I ate, I drank, and then I hit the floor. Hazte O is how you'll go. Hablé, cantaste, él bailó. For our verbs, it's easy to know. The action's complete, the verbs just flow. Escribí, viviste, aprendió la lección. For air and ear, that's your direction. Ayer corrí, I ran, ella escribió. She wrote, once it's done. Pretérito is what we promote. Fui, vi, tuve, hice, irregular crew. They don't follow the fucking rules. Quise, dije, vine, memorize the game. You'll see them pop up, but they work the same. Pretérito means it's finished, it's clear. Acción completada, you learned it right here. If it's done in the past, use it and be free. Master the past tense in Spanish, you'll see. Ayer viajé, caminé y luego descansé. Everything I did is in the past. ¿Ves? Pretérito hits fast and then it's through. Now you know it, the rest is up to you.